Hello guys, hello Philippines, and good morning to all. It's already around past midnight of the first day of September 2024, and it looks like that we have a rapidly developing tropical disturbance or LPA to the east of Samar, and it's likely to become Enteng within the next 12 to 24 or up to 36 hours depending on the organization of this system. So we're now initializing the first update on LPA 92W, which is likely to become Enteng within the next within a day. Okay, so this is for today's Sunday morning, September 1st 2024, English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000 and one of the best educational institution here in Bicol Region and Naga City, Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin now with our update. Where is LPA 92W? Here's now the latest GraphSat that we created a few hours ago. This is around 9 p.m. And here's now LPA 92W with higher chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. Actually, this increasing cloud bands is based on the 7 p.m. satellite. If you look at it in a short while, it's really gone larger, okay? It's become more broader than a few hours ago. And we have here the trough affecting the Eastern Visayas area, expanding across the whole of the Visayas, Mindanao as well. And also particularly Surigao and the Siargao, Dinagat Islands, and also the Bicol region. So we expect rainfall to occur sometime in the next few hours, scattered, isolated to on and off situation. But later this Sunday, there will be more intense rainfall that could reach 50 up to 100 millimeters. And then late Sunday, or later tonight until Monday, it could reach up to 200 millimeters. So we are observing most of our 10 weather stations around the Bicol region, and we shall see how high is the rainfall, the rain amounts that will be expected to fall across our region. The southwest monsoon is also affecting Palawan and the Calayan Spratly Islands, and it's likely to move farther towards Western Visayas, Negros Island region, Western Mindanao, Sulu Archipelago, and the whole of MiMaRoPa, because once the system reach at latitude 14 degrees, that will be somewhere here, it might be on the line of sight of the southwest monsoon to be enhanced by this system. So as of 8 p.m. last night, it was located 510 kilometers east of Borongan City, Eastern Samar, 11.5 north latitude, 130.1 east longitude, and the risk of flooding and landslide across Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao has gone up from low to high. So watch out for possible flash floods and landslides within the next 24 to 48 hours. And Sanshan, on the other hand, okay, on the north side of this system, is now dissipating and it's likely to become a remnant low as it moves back towards southern Honshu. It emerges, or it has emerged over the sea south of Japan, over the coastal areas of Shikoku and southern Honshu, but it's likely to move back and completely die over this area. And here's the fast animation. As you can see, the rapidly developing circulation of the system might cause heavy rainfall and thunderstorms across the mentioned region, that across Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao. And here's the zoom in satellite animation to show to you since around 12 p.m. yesterday until 12 midnight at this time. So there you go. This is now the thick increasing rain bands of LPA 92W. And if we use the infrared, it's now affecting the areas of Eastern Visayas, particularly Samar and Leyte, Northeastern Mindanao, Northern Caraga to be exact, and also parts of Central Visayas. And if we move this into around 12 midnight right now, it's now entering Bicol Region. The areas of Bertido in the Camarines Sur area, over Cajamuan Peninsula, also Catanduanes, Eastern Albay, Sorsogon will start to experience, or is currently experiencing, moderate to heavy rains based on what we see on this satellite, unless it's not yet pouring. Okay, but we expect these rains to arrive within the next few hours. And for the track that we issued early this afternoon, this is based on the 8 a.m. yesterday. The system right now is currently here, so it's still within our cone, slightly north of the track. But the latest now from the computer model shows that it's still within the cone of uncertainty. The European model is passing it here, while the American model is passing it here. So it's really a close approach. Okay, a grace passage. Okay, Graze. Okay, it will graze close to the Bicol region, and that will bring rainfall of 50 up to more than 200 millimeters. So watch out for those areas living in low-lying areas of Rinconada, and low-lying areas of Camarines Sur, as well as Albay, Sorsogon, Catanduanes, Cam Norte, okay, and also areas of Masbate. Please take all necessary precautions. So that will last for about 24 to 48 hours. And then after Tuesday, especially here, once it moves towards the north, it will intensify into a tropical storm and even reach typhoon intensity. But the wind or the weather system across the Philippine Islands will shift mainly from the Habagat. Okay, so switching from the rain bands of the system to the Habagat wind system. So it might affect again the western sections of our country. So it is likely to become a tropical depression. So while it is likely to become a TD once it passes close to Bicol region, or after it passes north of Bicol. So it depends on the organization structure of this system, or the rapid intensification of it. And here's the ensemble, the track of all the tropical systems. This is Cyclone Hone. This is a cyclone from the Central Pacific Basin, which is expected to cross the international dateline. This was once a hurricane, or I think a tropical storm, or it also reached a hurricane intensity. And it's likely to cross the international dateline into the Western Pacific Basin. And this is now the system that we are monitoring. The black dots are the tropical depression status. The blue is becoming a tropical storm. And the orange to pink, that is a typhoon, or a major typhoon. So the European ensemble shows it passing here. So that's the cone of uncertainty of the European model. So most likely it's going towards Batanes, Taiwan area. Let's hope it will accelerate, because if it moves slowly, it will enhance southwest monsoon, and the duration will last for a week, depending on the speed of this weather system. So we are keeping an eye on soon to be Enteng that will be given by PAGASA anytime it becomes a tropical depression, today, September 1 or 2. And here's the satellite oceanic heat content from the NOAA. This is for the Western Pacific Basin. You can clearly see here that the kilojoule centimeter negative squared is really high. This is also known as a tropical cyclone heat potential. And look at this. So the system is currently here. So if we track the tracking, it will pass here. So we won't be surprised if this system will rapidly intensify, because it's passing over very hot content of warm ocean. So let's hope and pray that it will remain as a low pressure area, but based on this latest data from the oceanic heat content or the tropical cyclone heat potential, it might go rapid intensification. Based on what we are seeing right now, even the upper air, or the upper level, the winds, or what we know as the wind shear, it's decreasing. It meaning that the system is free enough to intensify if the wind shear or the upper level winds is relaxing. But if it's very strong, just like here in Palawan or South Palawan, Mindanao, this is a moderate shear. It will not. It will just intensify very slowly. But if it encounters very low shear, rapid intensification is a high possibility. So here's the rain forecast, because this is very important for us here in Bicol Region and the Visayas. As you can see, at 12 midnight today until 12 midnight tomorrow, Monday, September 2, a span of 24 hours, we expect rainfall here over mainland Bicol to increase from 30 to 100 millimeters, while over northern Samar it might reach more than 100 to 200 millimeters. The rest of the Bicol region, including Masbate, is 20 to 80 millimeters. Also here, over the rest of Eastern Visayas. Here over the western sections of Visayas and the Negros Island region, it's mainly 20 to 50 millimeters due to the southwest monsoon that will be enhanced by this potential cyclone. Now let's move it beginning Sunday afternoon to Monday afternoon. Look at this. Parts of Camarines Sur, Partido District, is now forecasting to, the rainfall is forecast to reach more than 100 or up to 200 millimeters, including Catanduanes. And here's now the system. So it has a more defined or healthy western rain bands. So we expect more rainfall the whole of Bicol region, including northern and southern Quezon, based on this rain forecast model from the European model, which is the leader when it comes to rain forecast. And if we move this the whole day of Monday, the rainfall pattern, let me see, hold on, okay. So the rainfall is still at 50 to 100 millimeters, and around up to 100 millimeters or more over the coastal areas of Camarines Sur and Eastern Albay, Catanduanes, while the rest of Bicol region will be around 50 to 100 millimeters of rainfall. That will be a problem when it comes to producing flooding. But when it comes to Monday afternoon to Tuesday afternoon, the rainfall will start to recede over the Bicol region. Okay. So likely that will be between Monday afternoon to Tuesday afternoon. So it depends on the track of this system. So most likely, the rainfall event over the Bicol region will start late Sunday, likely in the afternoon or even morning. There will be some rainfall already, and it will last until early morning of or around 9 a.m. of Tuesday. So again, this is depending on the track or the future forecast track of this system. So this is based on the 8 p.m. the 2 p.m. Rain forecast from the European model. So the rain will last until the rain event, okay, until the morning of Tuesday, and then it will be replaced by the southwest monsoon. You can see here over Pasacao and Balatan area. The rainfall, the heavy rainfall already caused by the southwest monsoon. And in the case of the southwest monsoon, it will become stronger when Tuesday and Wednesday arrive, because you can clearly see here areas of the western sections of Central Luzon, Bataan, Metro Manila, Cavite, Batangas, what else? Laguna, Romblon, Mindoro as well, particularly Lubang Island and Western Mindoro or Occidental Mindoro, northern most part of Palawan, Calamian Group, Cuyo Island, Western Panay will be experiencing rainfall of 50 to more than 100 millimeters. Let me check. Yeah, more than 100 millimeters. While here over the coastal areas of extreme northern Luzon, northern Cagayan, rainfall will be around 50 to 100 millimeters as well. So it depends if the system draws closer to these areas, but if over the Philippine Sea, the only problem is the southwest monsoon. There are a few rainfall also here over the western sections of Albay and Camarines Sur. So this is the scenario. So on Thursday, the southwest monsoon will still be affecting the western sections of southern Luzon, Bataan, Manila, Metro Manila, some parts of Calabarzon, and also becoming more frequent over the area of Occidental Mindoro and the West Philippine Sea, the whole of West Philippine Sea, including Calayan Island Group. That will be on Thursday, and we move this on Friday. The effects of the southwest monsoon continues to those areas. Okay, and it looks like it will slowly weaken on Saturday, but there's still some rainfall over Bataan, and then it will switch to Ilocos region from Zambales up to Ilocos Norte. The coastal areas will experience heavy rainfall up to 50 to 100 millimeters on Saturday to Sunday, and then on Monday it will start to move back to the West Philippine Sea, and on let me move this. So that will be until Tuesday morning. So so that's the scenario. So watch out for more updates when we return later today, Sunday, maybe tonight or this afternoon. It depends on how busy we are. We are creating. We're going to create updates, advisories on soon to be Enteng if it does become a tropical depression. If not, we'll be issuing Storm Watch number 2 sometime noontime today. And for the waves, the wave heights now is still around 1 to 1.5 meters here over the East Philippine Sea. Inland waters of the Philippine Sea is calm to up to about a meter. Over the West Philippine Sea, starting to increase up to 1.5 meters. And now we are going to move this Sunday afternoon. The wave heights here over the East Philippine Sea, particularly east of Bicol and east of Samar, will increase to 2 to 2.5 meters because of the arrival or the approach of LPA 92W. And if we move this into Monday, as the system passes very close to Bicol region, these areas will have wave heights of 2 up to 3 meters. So it is gonna be dangerous to sea vessels, rough to very rough seas. While here over Palawan, the West Philippine Sea, the southern part of the West Philippine Sea, including Calayan Island Group and the Sulu Archipelago, wave heights will increase up to 2 meters. And if we move this into Tuesday, the increasing wave heights because of this Pre-ENTEng is going to switch or move up to the north, to the east of Cagayan Valley, up to almost 4 meters in wave heights because it's an intensifying system. Southwest monsoon here over the West Philippine Sea increasing to 2 meters, and on Wednesday it will increase to 3 meters as well because of the southwest monsoon. And also on Thursday, September 5. So Calayan Island Group and the West Philippine Sea west of Palawan will have increasing wave heights of more than 3 meters because of the southwest monsoon. And this one over the East Philippine Sea is up to almost 4 meters because of the intensifying LPA, or maybe a tropical storm to be named Enteng if it does develops. Okay, if it does develop. So that's the latest for this early morning of Sunday, September 1st, and we'll try to return later today, maybe tonight or this afternoon, to bring you the very latest on soon-to-be tropical depression Enteng. It's still a low pressure, but any moment it could become a tropical depression. So take all necessary precautions, my fellow Bicolanos, as well as other across the other parts of the country that will be affected by the monsoon, to my fellow Filipinos. So please take all necessary precautions and listen to the advisories from PAGASA, and also to our channel Typhoon2000.ph, Typhoon2000.org for complete advisories. These are unofficial advisories, okay, because the official one is still PAGASA. So go to DOST-PAGASA at their Facebook page, and also here at our YouTube channel, Mr. Typhoon.tv. Follow us, subscribe. There's a subscription button down there, and also at our Facebook channel, Mike, Mr. Typhoon Padua, for the very latest on this tropical cyclone, soon to be tropical cyclone. Again, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you again later.